Hello, this is Sherry Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today I am going to be doing a swatch and review of bornpretty's, magnetic nail polish. This is, oh my goodness, I forgot the name of it already. Astral Resin Realm, Here's the box that it came in, really cute. And the packaging, the number for it is 42398. If you want to order it, I do not have a discount code. I'm very sorry. There are a few people who do, which I'm sure they wouldn't mind using theirs, but I don't have one. All you do is put your polish on, get your cat's eye magnet, hover it over the nail. Do not touch it, just hover. And then you get that beautiful line for it. I think it's just gorgeous. So I'm going to be doing, I did one nail off camera. I did one for you just now. And the other end of the magnet also has a circle. So I'm going to try that one out. Oh, shoot, I just touched it. You have to do this when it is wet. The magnet will not work if it is dry. I don't know, can you see on that one? Kind of a big mark. I like the cat's eye a lot better. So I'm going to go back over it with the third coat, unfortunately, so I can get the circle mark off, because I like the cat's eye a lot better. This is a beautiful nail polish. It's like a dual chrome. Oh, that is beautiful. One more to go. You can order this from bornpretty, as I said before. It is worth the money. It's like, I don't know, $6, $5.99 I think it is. It's definitely worth the price. I love having this. This is my swatch and review for it. It's the only color that I have so far. I did just get from a giveaway that I won on Instagram the Aurora Borealis, but it'll probably take a couple weeks for me to get it. And I'll do a swatch and review of that one as well. But for today, this one is it. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you liked it. Give it a big thumbs up. Please click the subscribe button and the bell to get notified of all future videos. Have a blessed day. Thank you.